Hey guys, a little tutorial for my beginners today, and we're going to talk about pigeon pose. It's my nemesis. It's a love-hate relationship for a lot of people, but it's incredibly beneficial. It's not always super comfortable to be in, but it's one of those poses that the benefits really come when you come out of the pose. That's when all the feel-good stuff comes rushing in. I like to come into pigeon pose starting from a downward facing dog position. On the inhale, bring the leg up to the sky. On the exhale, bend that leg, bring the knee up to the top of the mat to the inside of the left hand, because in this case, we're working with the left leg. The proper alignment for pigeon, this leg in the front should be perpendicular to the body. My anatomy absolutely hates this, so I do not practice pigeon this way, but it is what you should be doing. I kind of tuck that foot in a little bit. Now, the other option is to make this an inactive pose by bringing the forearms to the floor, the forehead to the floor, and just relaxing into it, just allowing the body to do the work for you and surrendering to the pose. In an inactive pigeon, you can stay there for 10 breaths. As a matter of fact, we always do in my class. Coming out of the pose, important to be very mindful. Plant the palms, lift the heart, flex the back foot, lift the knee, and press back to your down dog. But I immediately raise that leg up to the sky and I start circling the hip to get the blood rushing back to that hip and knee. And then you meet back in downward facing dog. So give it a try, have fun, and make sure you're mindful of your body.